Example on probability. Example, 3 boys and 2 girls. From these make committee of 2. Then write probability of following events. First event, event A, committee have 1 boy and 1 girl. Second, event B, committee have at least 1 girl. Solution. For 3 boys, for 3 boys, we have to take B1 first boys, B2 for second boy, and B3 for third boy. For 3 girls, here is 2 girls. For 2 girls, in the example 3 boys and 2 girls. For 2 girls, we have to take G1 for first girl, G2 for second girl. Therefore, sample space S is equal to three boys and 2 girls. From these, make committee of 2. Make committee of 2. We have to make, here is 3 boys and 2 girls. We have to make committee of 2. That is, first committee is B1, B2. B1, B2. Second is B1, B3. B1, B3. Third is B2, B3. Fourth is B1, G1. Fifth is B1, G2. Six, B2, G1. Seven, B2, G2. 8, B1, G1. 9, 8, B3, G1. 8, B3, G1. 9, B3, G2. And 10, G1, G2. S is equal to, in brace B1, B2, B1, B3, B2, B3, B1, G1, B1, G2, B2, G1, B2, G2, B3, G1, B3, G2, G1, G2. Therefore, number of sample point n bracket S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N bracket S is equal to 10. First event, we have to find probability of first event. First event is A. Committee have 1 boy and 1 girl. Therefore, A is equal to committee of one boy and one girl. One boy and one girl, that is B1G1, B1G1, B1G2, B2G1, B2G2, B3G1, B3G2, first event A is committee of one boy and one girl, therefore A is equal to B1G1, one boy and one girl, B1G2, B1G1, B2G2, B3G1, B3G2. Therefore, number of sample point of A, that is n bracket A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, probability of A is equal to number of sample point in A upon number of sample point in S. Number of sample point in A is equal to 6 and number of sample point in S is equal to 10. 2, 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10 is equal to 3 upon 5. Probability of A is equal to 3 upon 5. We have to find probability of second event, event B. Event B is committee have at least one girl. Committee have at least one girl. Therefore, B is equal to committee have at least one girl. Greater girl than 1 is possible. That is, here is B1, B2, here is no girl. Committee have at least one girl. No less than one girl, more girl is possible. That is, here is B1, B2, here is no girl. B2, B3, here is no girl. B1, G1 is B1, G1. B1, G2. B2, G1. B2, G2. B3, G1. B3, G2. At least one girl, no less than one girl is less than one girl is not possible, but two girl is possible, that is G1 G2. At least one girl, that is two girl is possible. Therefore B is equal to B1 G1 B1 G2 B2 G1 B2 G2 B3 G1 B3 G2 G1 G2. Therefore number of sample points in B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Therefore probability of event B is equal to number of sample point in B upon number of sample point in S. Number of sample point in B is 7 upon number of sample point in S is 10. Therefore probability of B event B probability of event B is equal to 7 upon 10 is answer. Therefore probability of A is equal to 3 upon 5 and probability of B is equal to 7 upon 10 is answer. Please subscribe my channel, also likes my videos.